Okay guys, back again. Today we're going to be fitting the stick-on black chrome belt line. So obviously you all know that the belt lines on these come chrome, which we don't like. So what we've done, rather than, for people that can't fit the vinyl strips, because some people do struggle doing that, me, myself included, we've got a full stick-on metal strip. So obviously we're going to get ahead now. Dead easy to apply, obviously just prep all the metal work, peel the tape, stick it on, etc. But we'll go along and show you a few bits. Okay guys, so obviously with everything that sticks on, we use these adhesion promoters. So obviously don't get this on anything shiny. All you're going to do is basically prep the surface all the way along there. And then obviously we've got our double solid. We've already wiped ours for video purposes. So obviously at that point you're just going to peel this back. Obviously you should have double checked what offered it up first, so obviously it's going to tack it there just to make sure everything's right. And then it's just a case of pushing it down. So you can see there already what a difference that's going to make. And like I say, it's all in one piece. Peel and stick. So obviously, once it's on, give it a good rub down, make sure everywhere's stuck. Every panel's the same. So there's two pieces on. So obviously when you get these guys, dead careful because they are dead flimsy. They're not flimsy, but you can imagine if you bend that, it's going to show up massively. So before fitting, which I didn't mention before obviously, just tee up where you're going to go there. So tee up that end, you can see exactly where you're going to fit there, because you want these to be nice and perfect. They actually sit on top of that chrome bit there and will sort of lock in. So obviously we'll get another one. You're going to watch this whole video before you attempt it obviously. Okay, just going to peel them both down. You've got red strips everywhere. Because I pre-measured before, now I can see that that just goes on just like that. Covers a right good bit of the plastic as well, so it really does bring them up to date, if that makes sense. Anything, all the weathered bits that on your rubbers and stuff like that is all getting covered, so it does look really good. And again, just a nice gentle rub down, just the plastic film making a noise. And again, see that man, it's actually really nice finish on that. So we'll carry on, do a couple more bits. So next little bit, what I've just noticed on that is this gap here was mega small. So obviously you can see on, I don't know if you can see on the end, but they sort of cap over. So what I've had to do is just get that, and that belt line does actually slide along a little bit. So just make sure, just a bit of a tip, make sure you've got your gap there. And again, just a case of peeling those right on that edge there. Like I say, don't actually stick it till you know it's right. So once you've got that and that lined up, you can see it's right, only then you can push it over. But you can see it laps right over the top there, so it gives a right good nice finish on top of it. So if you've got weathered plastics there, it just rejuvenates it quite a bit. You can see there, comes right over the top of the look. So nearly there guys, we're just working our way around. So on this one, it's a two-piece obviously for the windscreen, and you do have a join in the middle. The R56 actually has a joined front and rear, so you can follow the sort of same procedure if you're watching this. So we've put both pieces on, made sure where the line is right on the end, and I've put a little marker there just for reference basically. And that one's stuck and I didn't want it to. So I'll take that one out of the way. So once you've got your line there, once you're following it round, you're going to get it. I mean, you can work from this end, but it's always best just to mark it up and just measure so you don't get a gap in the middle. Fiddliest bits pulling this red tape off. exactly where we wanted it. And again, just push it into position first of all. We've got a light tack. Put that there. It's not completely stuck yet, so don't worry. I'm just going to put that one back on. Make sure its joint's perfect, as you can see there on the ends. And we'll stick it down. Okay guys, so final fitting piece here for this one. So like I say, do take care when unpackaging these and stuff, because like I say, being thin metal, they're just going to bend and crease. So obviously when you're messing about, get everything prepped out like we did, and just take your time basically. So what we're going to do is we're going to put that one butt up to there this time. Follow it round. So obviously you're going to get your good finish that side then, which is where you want it. And again, just rub it down. All in position. And you can tighten it up, obviously. So you can get these on our website, www.KillAllChrome.com. We've shown you the full demo, so hopefully that'll make it a little bit easier for you. Keep liking, subscribing, sharing, etc. Cheers guys.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep.